Hi, so in order to get your WhatsApp business link, all you need to do is to click on your WhatsApp business app. When you open it, you see a screen of your contact just like this. Click the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen, which is what I'll click right now. Then you will see settings as the last item on the drop down. I click it, then scroll up. Okay, sorry, don't scroll up. Just click business tools, then click short link at below your screen. Then you see your WhatsApp business link. So this is my own WhatsApp business link. So this is how to get your WhatsApp business link. Very easy. Okay, so you can either tap the link like this. You can see it shows link copied, or you can click share link. So if you click share link, it will still show you a place to copy your link. Do you understand? So you can share. If you tap on this same copy, it's the same thing, the same link you will get. All right, so I hope you found this tutorial very simple and understandable. This is great ideas from Snow Brown Consulting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Bye for now.